Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So guys, today I'm going to show you how you can add sites to trusted website in Google Chrome browser. So this is my Google Chrome page and this is my YouTube channel IT Parivar page, and in same way you have to open your Google Chrome browser, and to add the sites to trusted sites in Google Chrome you have to click here on three dotted points, which is in the right side corner. Once you click to the three dotted points, you have to scroll down this and click on settings. You can see here there is an option privacy and security. Click here and then you can see site settings. Click here, scroll down. Once you scroll down, you will see an option additional content settings. Need to click here, again scroll down, and then you will see insecure content. Click here and you can see here there are two options: not allowed to show insecure content, allowed to show insecure content. Okay, so if you have to add sites to trusted sites, you have to click here on the allow to insecure content, and you have to enter your website, whatever website you want to add. Like just for testing, I am going to enter here xyg.com. okay, add. So you can see xyg.com is added here. Okay, so in this way you can add. If you want to edit this website, you have to click again on the three dotted point which is in front of the website. Okay, if you want to block this, you can click to block. If you want to edit or remove. Okay, if you want to block this, if you will click to block, you can see it will move to up. Okay, now it's blocked. If you want to remove from the trusted sites or allowed site, you can just click to remove. It will be removed from here. Okay, so in this way you can add website to trusted sites. You can edit the sites in the Google Chrome trusted sites settings, and you can block and remove the website from here. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. So I'll request you to please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that whenever I'll upload the new videos you will get the notification. Thank you. Bye bye.